I'm finally getting back to filming. I'm so excited. Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Iduma. It's been ages, like legit, it's been forever. Forever. My last video I uploaded was November 21st and this is December 20th. Legit has been a hot minute, but honestly I do have reasons for that. And if you've been like a subscriber of mine, you know that when I do say I post videos every Tuesday, I really try my best to post videos every Tuesday. And since moving to the University of Glasgow for my masters, because I'm originally Nigerian, like born and bred, the only blood that flows into me is Abakaliki blood. Seriously, like no jokes. And since I moved for my masters, like in September, it's been kind of difficult, like posting consistently on Tuesdays, and it's been difficult to like posting even content, thinking about content, because you're just like paid a lot of school fees. Why don't I just think about my books? But at the same time, you're like, I'm committed to this like 600 people. I know, 600 now, excited, right? Oh my god! This 600 people on my platform, and I'm committed to all of you that consistently come back to view me. And it's this whole month of being absent has been amazing, because sometimes people do take a break on YouTube, and when they do come back, they're like nowhere. But you guys just come back and keep watching me, and I'm excited, and I'm really excited to consistently, like, I'm going to like come back, but I can't really say I'm going to consistently put videos on Tuesday anymore. I'm going to consistently put videos every week whenever I can and whenever it's possible. And I do know that I have a tendency of just doing one thing at a time, and then when I want to do that one thing, I just put my all into it and just give it the best I can. So know that whenever I put out a video, like, I'm putting in my best. So down to the reason why I haven't been posting, legit, since I started my YouTube channel February this year, I film, I edit, I do everything on my phone. And then initially I started off filming with an iPhone 6, and then after a couple of months I moved to an iPhone 8. But then I still kept my iPhone 6. I'm not a baller, but like that's just really what just happened. Like, so I was filming on iPhone 8, and then the camera quality, like the video quality I was putting out, like kind of like improved. And then this phone, the iPhone 8, was the phone I used to film I moved to Glasgow. And then if you watch that video, which I do encourage you to watch, like please do watch it. If you watch that video, you would notice like there were drops in the audio, and then I was sad about it, but at the same time I was like, I just needed people to like hear my story of how I just moved and everything. And I posted the video regardless, but then the audio did drop, and I'm very particular about giving out good content, like, and good quality, because if I also tune into somebody's YouTube channel, I want to get that same quality back. Do you get, like, you give what you take, and you like, I just want the energy I give to be the energy I like receive. Like, I don't know how to explain it, but like that's what I want. And then the audio was bad, and then I moved back to using the iPhone 6. And then the iPhone 6, the visual is bad, but then the audio is good. So I was like, might as well, you know. So I used it to film like my room tour, which I've been getting like a ton of engagement on, and which is like so lovely. And people just keep messaging me on Instagram, and people just move there, and like they just, you know, reach out to me and like ask questions and everything. And some of you have been praying for me, and really, like, I appreciate it. And just continue praying for me, because I need all the help I can get from God. Like, God, you know. And then the audio there was good, but then the visuals were bad. And I was just like, I'm going to manage it. Like, what else can I do? And I filmed like a couple of videos, and I was really struggling to like get them edited, because when I film on the video on the phone, I edit it, I do everything on it, like everything happens on it, like everything happens on it. And then while I was like putting things together, because I did have like a day in life, what I eat in life, like I had a lot of good interesting content coming up for you guys. Like I took you guys around, like basically I can't do that again because I've already done that. And you get like transportation money, like I won't be, you get. What was I even saying? Oh god damn it, what was I saying? I was supposed to go somewhere, so I was like on the subway and my water bottle was in my bag, and then it spilled on my phone. And then legit I was like, oh, when I get back I'm going to put it in rice. And then I don't know, like it was in rice for like 2 weeks and it didn't come on, but I knew it was on, but then the screen was black. And then I took it to someone to repair, and then I don't even know, as if the guy just made it more worse. And you just think you meet quacks, like legit you only think you meet quacks in Nigeria, but like they're everywhere. Legit, they're everywhere. Like I've learned so many things like along the way, like I have. So like my phone was dark and everything was dark, and then I was like, I can't use this recent phone because the audio is bad. And then what do? Do I get a new phone to kill filming? My sister was like, why get a new phone? Like this still works. Like I'm not gonna throw this away. This works. So she just said I should get a camera. So I did. I got an M50, a Canon M50, and I'm filming on it right now. And I don't know how to like film on it. Like if you're like all these videography experts and all that, like come and really tell me, like give me tips, but then say it in a way that is kind, and you know, like a way that, say it in love and with love. Do you get? Like if you feel like the quality is somehow ish, right now is set at, you know, auto, like because I don't know how to set it. I've never used the camera before, so I just set it at automatic. Like camera, do your business, like arrange it for me, let me not even bother about it. But as I'm looking at it from like the side, I'm thinking like it's over something, like something is happening that is SS. So do let me know if it is. And but then I'm excited to like learn about it. Really, like yesterday night I sat down till like 3 a.m. like I was excited, playing around with the settings and just figuring the camera out. Like for like I've owned this camera for a while now, like for a while, since like last month, a while. I don't it took me 2 weeks to know how to put the battery in. Like I've been figuring this camera out, but then I knew I would come and make a video when I felt comfortable enough, like in handling the camera. I don't know if it makes sense, but I'll come back then. And a lot has been happening, like a lot has been happening. And if you're very new to my YouTube channel, I make videos like health and fitness videos, and I give tips, advice based on my own experiences, because I lost 24 kilos in Nigeria eating the Nigerian food. So most of you do follow me because of that. But at the same time too, will I say like I don't want to be doing that again, because at the same time health fitness is still like part of my life, and I've decided to make it like, you know, my lifestyle. And although like, don't judge me, like see, like since I came here, like I'm not looking into the camera to say because, but then let me look into the camera to say, because at the same time I'm actually proud, because there was the like, it got to a point where it was like work kept on like essay, presentation, like everything just kept on coming my way. But then I managed to get into the gym like 2 times a week, and normally I do like 5 times a week. But like when I was doing 5 times a week, that was because I was at home, I was doing nothing, absolutely nothing, so I had time on my hands. But like now, like I have other things to think about, so I could only fit in like 2 times a week. But I was actually more active like in other days when I wasn't moving around. So I still do want to give out that video. And then this couple of months, like this whole month off of YouTube, has given me a time to evaluate and ask myself, what do I really want from my channel? What kind of content do I want to share? And I really want to like bring people into my experiences here in the University of Glasgow, regardless of the fact I'm actually done here. I'm actually done. I've finished here in Glasgow. I have. I'll gist you guys in another video. So just subscribe so that you can actually know how I finished, because I legit came in September and I'm done. I'm finished. I'm done. Just 1 semester and I've finished. So I am done here in Glasgow, and then it's sad that you guys didn't get to see Glasgow, but I did tell myself like I'm going to come back to Glasgow just to like film around, and just maybe a day or two, just to show you guys around Glasgow from my own eyes. Like, you know, you people can actually go and YouTube it. That's not what they said. They were like search it and actually see Glasgow and know everything about Glasgow, but if you want to just see through my eyes, through my own eyes, do like checking for my own channel. So I think that's just the difference in like YouTube channel. Sometimes you just want to experience things through somebody else's eyes, and that's what I want to do. I want to bring you guys along my experiences through my eyes. And then I don't know, like I've had like crazy experiences here that I just want to, like, I don't know, give like story time. I don't know if I should do it like series form, something like that. Like maybe not a series form, because I don't know, my series don't really do well, but oh well. I just want to like make it like, but then again too, like it's just going to be like mainly like sit down, because they have already happened to me, and just because ridiculous things have been happening to me, like legit. There's some places I can't go no more because bad things happen to me there, like legit. And I really just want to like sit down and just share like my stories, because up here like I feel like I have so many things to say, and then because my friends down in Nigeria don't have data, they can't hear my story, and like legit, I just want to sit down and gist with somebody, and I want to do that like here on YouTube, since my actual friends don't want to like gist with me because it costs a lot of data, and then my actual friends are not actually going to watch this video because YouTube costs a lot of money down in Nigeria. So you see, there's a problem here, like there's a problem. So I've decided to share my story with the internet. So and just let me know if you are actually interested in that kind of video. And honestly to God, I'm making this video, I don't know how I'm going to edit it, I don't know how to transfer it, but if you see this video up before the 23rd of December 2019, see, click a thumbs up. Go down to the comment section and say, girl, you know, put that dancing girl emoji for me. And because that's legit the feeling I'll be getting when I finally upload this video, because I don't know how to do it. Where does this SD card go to? And how do I edit it? Oh God. And then because I'm not like filming here, I want to like, you know, spice up my editing a little bit, and then learn Adobe Premiere Pro. So like there's a lot to do. There's a lot to learn, and I'm excited about it. Legit, I'm back and I'm excited about it. I'm excited for the content I have. Like, I'm not saying that I'm not going, hey, how do they say in English? I'm not saying I'm going to stop making health related videos, because I do like have like not like me, most of you in the comment section have given me amazing ideas, like God, I've even forgotten most of them. Like, okay, I know Abigail said, okay, I should do a lot of like showing around kind of videos, which I will be doing like in the next video. So do like stay tuned for the next video. They might actually come like in the same week, so just be on the lookout. Like they might just come like back to back, 23rd, 24th of this month. And then I'm going to like do more of those videos. Even Lola Ola, one of my subscribers too, like I know, like I like when you guys comment, because I get to know your names, and some of your names like I can't remember, and some of them, okay, let me just check, and some of them too I can't pronounce. So at the same time, like I feel it's rude too if you pronounce somebody's name like wrongly, like that's just legit rude. So like most of you too have been giving me like a couple of ideas, and especially on my video on meal like budgeting, like meal planning on a budget, most of you have been giving me like cool ideas, which I'm going to like tackle on. And a lot of cooking videos like are going to come from me, just because like recently, not like recently, but like I enjoy cooking, and I enjoy like sharing my food recipes and all that. And then I'm really tired of like all my YouTube followers, all my Instagram followers like really enjoying that, and I want to bring it over to YouTube. And then there are a lot of like Nigerian recipes to just help you lose weight and all that. So like I have like those kind of videos coming up, and I'm excited to like share that. Like I have a couple of ideas coming up, and fingers crossed that I'm able to like film a lot of content, because also to like I have a big year next year. Like I really don't know what 2020 holds for me, but then I'm excited for 2020, and I'm praying for 2020, because I really have a lot I want to learn, a lot I want to achieve and accomplish. And you know, 2020, my goal for 2020 on YouTube is to have like 2,000 subscribers. Legit, I know that I'm 1,200 close to that goal, and being a small YouTuber, I'm really hopeful. I'm crossing my fingers for this. Like I'm praying to God for this, that like my fitness goals are there, and I want to learn how to swim, because I don't know how to swim, but like I swear I know how to drown. Like just put me in the water, I drown. I've even drowned in a gutter. You don't even want to hear about that story. You don't want to hear about it, because that was sheer blindness. Then what else? Like I have like papers that I hope to write next year, like academic papers and journals and all that, because I have been getting tons and tons of inspiration from God, and it's just been so exciting. Then I have like the story times I want to share, and then more vlog style, which I'm learning, because I'm learning it. I can't even lie, I'm learning it. I'm learning this vlog style, but I am excited, super excited, super excited that I'm back, bigger, better, stronger. Oh my god. And it's Friday. That's why this shirt says skip to Friday, because I feel like my life literally just dropped to Friday. Like today's the 20th of December, so like this, my life just I don't know where the time has gone, legit, because I just came in September and I'm done here. Hope you do subscribe, hope you like, hope you comment down below like any kind of video you actually want to be seen, like want me to make content about and all that. Do let me know, and also to like watch my other videos and let me know how you like this particular video, and tell me with love what you think I should do better or improve on, like in terms of quality and all that. And if the audio too is good, do let me know, because everything I'm figuring it out. And if this video actually comes up, my dear, just go and give me a smiley, something, because that's legit my reaction, because I don't know how I'm gonna edit this. I don't know how this thing is gonna move. How do people move these videos? But see, I don't also come and be telling me, "Oh, you're stupid," because oh my god, I want haters too. But then at the same time, I'm like, see, me, I've never held a camera before until today. It took me 2 weeks to put the battery inside this thing. Bola, thank you so much. But Bola is the one that taught me how to mount the camera on top of this. See, I'm excessively talking, right? I'm excessively talking. But thank you so much for watching. And the next video, because I am going out, and just to celebrate my last days here, I'm like trying to go to some places that I haven't gone to. So my next video is just like a little vlog on that, so to check it out. Okay, check my next video after this. Okay, bye, thank you. Cheers. Ooh, on his own, he's just going brighter and darker. Wow. But then that's too bright though. Wow. That's what happens when you leave things on